How to use Asana project management tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Asana project management software. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to asana.com and you will land on this platform right here. Asana is world's leading project management software with all of the features and tools to help you manage your everyday tasks and get more productive. You can create your own task and manage your small business team or maybe do automation. So let's get into the video. I will show you how to use asana.com and how you can simply get your own dashboard. So when you go to asana.com, the signing up process is super easy. If you have not signed up, you can sign up with your Google account and then you will get your own dashboard of asana.com. This is my dashboard right here. So before I show you all of the features and tools, let me actually go ahead and show you the pricing for Asana really quickly so you will have an idea about the affordability of the platform. So this is the pricing plan for Asana. We have a basic plan which is going to be $0 and it is completely free. We are getting 3 project views, unlimited essentials like activity, task, and projects. Then we have a premium which is going to be $10.99 per user per month billed annually and $13.49 if billed monthly. And then we have a business plan which is going to be $24.99 per user per month billed annually and $30.49 if billed monthly. So this is the pricing plan. All of the features are given below. The platform is pretty affordable and has a lot of different features. You can simply select the plan of your choice and get started. Once you sign up for Asana, this is the home that you get. On home, we get our home option. Then we have my task, inbox, reporting, portfolios, goals, and our workspaces and projects. So the first thing that you need to do is simply create a new workspace or a new project. So to create a new project, you will find the option right here. You can see I already have 2 projects, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. So to create a new project, you simply click right here. Now you can simply go ahead and create a blank project, use a template, or import a spreadsheet. So let me show you. If you're using a template, you can choose from different templates available. You can choose from work request, then you have a meeting agenda, then you have a stand-up meeting, then you also have a business plan template. So you can actually go ahead and select a template if you want to. You can see right here, we have marketing, HR, IT, and design. So you can use a template. I'm going to go ahead and create a project from the scratch. So to create a new project, what you have to do is simply type in your project name. So I'm going to call it new. Now we have to select the privacy, public to marketing, private to me, or private to a project members. So I'm going to select private to me because this is going to be my private workspace. Then we have to select a default view. If you want to go with list, this is how it will look. If you want to go with boards, then it will look like this. Or you can go with a timeline view and a calendar view as well. I'm going to go with a board view because I personally prefer boards. Then I'm going to click on continue. After that, what do you want to do first? Start adding tasks, share with teammates, or set up a workflow. Or you can simply go to your projects. I'm going to go ahead and go to my project and I will simply get my own dashboard. So this is what a brand new project looks like on Asana. Now, what I can do is I can get an overview. Then we have a list view, board view, timeline, calendar view, workflow, and more. In more, we have dashboard, messages, and files. All the files will be here and messages here. Let's go back to our board view. To add a new task or to create new list, what you have to do is you simply create list and add task. I'm going to go ahead and create a list first. So we have to do, in progress, and complete like our default list, but you can go ahead and change the names if you want to. Let's say I have to do in progress complete and add another one. Let's call it error. This is going to be for the tasks that have some error. Now I have 4 lists. Let's go ahead and add a task. What you can do is simply click on add task and give your task a name. Let's call it task 2. Click enter. A new task will be added. Click on the task and it will open up the window where you can do more settings, such as add an assignee, add a due date, add a label, select the list, add description, and add a subtask. You can also go ahead and add a link and URL. For now, I'm just going to save this task. Then I can add another one, as many tasks as you want to. To move a task from one list to another, you simply drag and drop. You can also customize your Asana. Simply click on Customize. Right now we have 4 fields: Assignee, Due Date, Projects, and Tags. To add a new custom field, you simply click right here, Add to Project, and then you can add Priority. So now I have 5 fields: Priority, Tags, Projects. So I'm going to check all of these so that I can add these fields to my task. And now I have priority option right here, and we also have a tag option. Similarly, you can go to customize and add rules. Then we have apps option available as well. Asana is really famous for its integration, and you can integrate almost every app on Asana. You can see right here, we have our own marketplace where you will find Slack, Microsoft Teams, Gmail. Then we have Dropbox, Google Drive, Adobe, Clockwise, and all of different apps in communication, reporting, file sharing, product management, marketing, operations, and made by developers as well. Simply add different apps to your Asana to customize it. Then we have the form option that allows you to create a form. And then, of course, we have task templates. You can also filter your search by tasks, due date, and next week. To invite someone to your workspace, what you have to do is simply click on this share option, and then you simply invite people with their email address. You can also copy your project link and share with someone to let them check your workspace. If you want to check your dashboard, you simply go to dashboard and you will be able to get different dashboard views. And you will get your own bar and pie charts. You can also go to messages, and in messages, you can also get access to the inbox where you can chat with your team members. We can also access our inbox from here. Then we have the reporting option. Simply go to reporting, and it gives you reporting of your different projects, and it gives you a report of all of your projects. Then we have portfolios and goals option as well, where you can set goals for your business and team. You can simply go back to home and create different projects. You can access all your projects right here in home option. And this is how you can simply go ahead and use Asana for your project management and more. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Asana project management software. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.